Kareem. Amma ba'd. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Respected teachers, incredible parents, staff members, and energetic students. I welcome you all in this cheerful morning. I am so grateful and I feel privileged to welcome all the dignitaries present over here to the commencement ceremony of the Akhlaq show. A very special welcome to our chief guest Maulana Ubaidur Rahman Nadwi, who truly set a benchmark for multi-hyphenated achievements. MashaAllah, he is a professor in English literature in a very renowned university, Nadwatul Ulama, Lucknow. And he is a writer of and he is the author of many books. Some of his contributions are The Quran and Everlasting Miracle of Allah, The Plain Truth, and Our Political Structure, For God's Sake Be Human. These are the books written by Maulana Ubaidur Rahman Nadwi, and mashallah, many more. On the behalf of this institution, I again wholeheartedly welcome and thank everyone for accepting our invitation and for giving us your precious time. Jazakallah khair. Respected audience, now let me take you 58 years back when the founder of this institution, Hazrat Maulana Ghulam Hussain Qasmi, returned back to his native land after acquiring higher education from Darul Uloom Deoband. Maulana Ghulam Hussain Qasmi was a man of such high morals and such principles. He had a strong vision, a very strong passion, and a yearning heart for this ummah. He wanted to streamline a path for this ummah so that they can acquire such education which can help them to handle any challenges in the future. He felt the need of the hour to raise the society both spiritually and educationally, and with Allah's decision and blessings, Alhamdulillah, in 1992 he laid the foundation of an institution named Darul Uloom Anwariya, which Alhamdulillah afterward followed the path leading to enlightenment, leading to education, and leading to the spiritual and both educational development of this society. My dear audience, in today's dilemma, we are much confused and it won't be wrong if I say we are much biased for our child's future. On the one hand, we want them to be an obedient son or daughter, and on the other hand, we are just pushing themselves to grab some penny, to grab some money in their hand. And I ask you, would it happen? It has become so difficult in such times when the society and when the people around us are dwelled in crimes, negligence, and irtidar, most importantly. Their family systems are totally destroyed, the civilizations are totally blown up. So it becomes so difficult for us, for this generation, to handle those challenges. And in my opinion, why is this happening? In my opinion, there are two main reasons. The first one is the practicality, or we can say that the practical education on Siratul Nabi. And the second reason is the lack of education. The education which inculcates in them high morals, high akhlaq, that part is missing from our institutions. With the technological advancement in education industry, our generation is learning some new stuff that might not help them to be an update person or to know the basics of science and technology. But hold on, this comes at the cost of something. This comes at the cost where the akhlaq and morals are totally destroyed. By a minute, by a second, they are grabbing, they are feeding themselves with that type of toxic content that destroys their positive state of mind. This generation is facing new challenges every day. They don't know how to behave with a human. They don't know the emotions of a human. They don't know how it feels on a bitter cold night with a hungry stomach, with an empty stomach. They don't know the needs of the poor. They don't know the difference between the halal and the haram. They don't know the right of their parents. They don't know the right of their neighbors. And this is happening because we never taught them in the way that they needed it most. So, in today's time, we need such institutions, we need such parents, we need the society that ponder upon such things of this generation, that take responsibility on their shoulders. And Alhamdulillah, Anwariya Public School is giving such type of environment to the students where they learn this education, this modern education, along with some, we can say that along with some technological advancement, along with some technological stuff. And Alhamdulillah, their iman is secure, where they offer 5 time namaz. And for the school students, we have provided such an environment where they learn the Diniyat and Islamic studies. Dear audience, in today's time, it is a much concern. It becomes difficult for ourselves to choose that institution which provide both these type of education. The knowledge which can help them to bear the challenges, the knowledge which can help them to maintain their iman, which can help them to secure their iman. So Hazrat Maulana Ali Mian Nadvi, he was a great personality. He was a prestigious personality of 21st century. And he quoted that we are not supposed to compromise with our iman in any situation. In the name of Talim, we are not supposed to compromise with our iman. So this is a very prime thing that we should be concerned. We should be concerned for our iman, that our iman is safe and our iman is secure.